In this video, I'm going to show you how you can consolidate mixed data across Excel sheets. Now, if you have a number of sheets and you want to total them all up and you notice that the data isn't in the same order, and on some sheets you have some things and other sheets you have others. So here I have North and I've got thingamajigs on here, and it starts with widgets, and then on the South sheet I have widgets are at the bottom, and I have doohickeys on the South sheet. So if I was going to add these up the normal way, you would be spending your whole time cutting and pasting and everything else. So now let me show you two different ways of doing the same thing without having to sort or cut or paste. So the first thing, we'll go to the summary sheet here. And the first way is we're going to consolidate. So I have selected A1 in my consolidate or in my summary sheet, and I'm going to the data tab now, and I'm going and selecting consolidate. And so I have some, and that's what I wanted to do, is add these things up. And now I am going to reference my two sheets. So I click on the arrow, and then I go to my first sheet and I select A to the end of your data. And then I go back in my arrow and then I add that. And then I go to my second sheet and then I select the same thing. And then I add that. And then now, so our headings are in the top and in the left column, and so we're going to indicate that. And then I'm going to create a link to the source so that we can click back to see what we've got here. And there you go. We'll just make this a little wider so you can see it all. And there's your totals done for you. Now, the other way that you can do it is you could do VStack. And so I'm going to go further down, and I'm going to go equals VStack. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my North sheet, and I'm going to select everything. And then I'm going to put a comma. And then I'm going to go to my South sheet, and I don't need to add my headings here, so I'm just going to add this, and I'm going to close the bracket. And then what we basically have is we have all of our data there, but it's not sorted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, and I'm going to make a pivot table with this. So I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to go pivot table, and so that's the data, but I want it on the existing sheet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it just over here, so I'll just put it right there. And then I'm going to say OK. Okay, so now let's expand these fields so we can see what we've got. And so I would like in my rows, I would like the items. So items will go into rows. And then I would like to sum up the units sold and the revenue. So let's go into here, and we're going to, and the revenue. Alrighty, so then we just close this down, and there we have, once again, all our data is put into one location, and you didn't have to do any cutting and pasting. So that is how you consolidate mixed data across Excel sheets. Please subscribe.